in this example on arithmetic series, we're told what S of n is, and then we're asked to find S1, S2, 3, and therefore write down T1, T2, and T3. So we know that S means sum, and we know that T means term, okay? So the first part is fairly okay. All we need to do is we need to sub in our values of 1, 2, and 3 into our formula. So our general formula for the sum of them, S of n is equal to n squared plus 2n. So I'm going to sub in S of 1, S of 2, and S of 3. So the sum of the sum of the first two terms, and then the sum of the first three terms. So the first term then is going to be, so wherever we have an n, we sub in a 1, which is 1 squared plus 2 times 1, which should give us 3. The next one is 2 squared plus 2 times 2, which is equal to 8. 2 squared is 4, and 2 by 2 is 4 as well. And S of 3 is 3 squared, which will be 9, plus 2 times 3, which is 6, is equal to 15. Okay, so we know that our first term, so the sum of the first terms, think about it, is 3. So 3 has to be T1, it has to be the first term. So 3 is equal to T1, but we know that T1 is also equal to A, okay? We know that the next sum, adding them together, 8 is T1 plus T2. We know that T1 is 3 plus T2, which we don't know, is equal to 8. So that gives us that T2, therefore T2 is equal to 5, because 3 plus 5 is going to give us 8. Same thing with the next one. That's T1 plus T2 plus T of 3. So that's equal to 3 plus 5 plus whatever T of 3 is, third term. And that is equal to, we've been told it's already equal to 15. So 3 and 5 is 8. So therefore 8 and something gives us 15. Well, we know that, therefore, T of 3 is equal to 7. So the first three terms are 3, which is here, 5, and 7. So that's T1, T2, and T3. 3,